Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on and off autoplay videos on Viber. Let's say you've gotten a Viber, notice that your videos are automatically playing when you click on the explore, the videos are playing, or from the charts the videos start sent being played and you want to turn it off. What do? The first thing you do is you open up your Viber app and then you tap on the more icon at the bottom and then you tap on settings and then you tap on media and you can see autoplay videos is automatically turned on, so you turn it off. So because if you turn it off, then videos will not play automatically once they are downloaded. Now if you change your mind to follow the same steps and simply turn it on, it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.